Welcome back to Instables, everyone. It looks like SPCE has hit our price target that we did mention on Friday. And I also did mention this one on Sunday Night Countdown on our weekly watch list. So it looks like SPCE is trying to break out going to tomorrow as well. I'm going to go over a quick analysis on what has to happen for this one to break out going to tomorrow, as it does have a ton of volume coming in at the end of the day. So let's jump into this one. So I want to go forward with you guys here real quick so you guys can see we have been on quite the run, and we did mention this one on Friday, and it looks like we are up about 50%. We mentioned this one around $20 on Friday, as they did have news coming in on Saturday as a potential successful launch, and it looks like we did have that news successful and coming on Monday. Again, we also mentioned this one on our weekly watch list on Sunday, so we definitely have been talking about this one. We are up about 50% on this one, and we are having a very key resistance coming up at 24.65. This is where we previously did get rejected, and we did start to sell off at this point. So again, this is a very key resistance coming up at 34.65. And if we can break above it, we can see that continuation going to SPCE. Again, we have a ton of volume coming on SPCE. So again, we want to make sure we do have this one on watch. Again, even though it's not a penny stock, this one is very volatile. We have seen this one come up all the way from around $21, coming up all the way to around $60. So we could definitely see the same thing happen since they did have a successful launch. We're going to make sure the volume can continue. Again, we want to make sure we break over this 34.65 mark, as 35 would probably be a safer play for me, in my opinion. But again, we're going to make sure this can break out. We have been on quite the run. We see the 20 MA starting to curl up above the 50 on the 4-hour here. So we could definitely see that huge breakout going into SPCE. But again, we're going to make sure the play does come to us on this one if you guys are looking to scalp this one at this point in time. But however, like I said, we are up about 50% since we did mention this one on Friday. But again, SPCE, a ton of volume coming in. You can't count this one out going into tomorrow, even though it does have a little bit of sell-off going in towards the end of the day, which on the 5-minute here, you guys can see we have been on a little bit of a sell-off, but it looks like we are trying to bounce off the 20 MA here on the 5-minute. And if we can, and we can break into new highs going tomorrow, then we can definitely see a nice little scalp on SPCE, in my opinion. And again, I have been talking about this one. This one's definitely been, I feel like, under the radar. A lot of people have been talking about it, but kind of skeptical if those are actually going to run. But again, the volume doesn't lie here. You can see the volume has been coming in. So again, we're going to see if SPC can continue to run going to tomorrow, bouncing off the 20 MA. And if you guys are looking for all these breakouts, all these penny stock breakouts throughout the day, we do this at instables.com. So definitely check out instables.com if you guys are looking for all these penny stock breakouts. And again, I appreciate everybody that's been supporting the channel, everybody that's been in the comment section. You guys have been amazing. God bless every one of you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all. And I'll see you guys in the next video.